Hi and welcome back to MRTV. In this video, I'm going to check out the Pimax Crystal Super Micro OLED in Star Wars Squadrons for all of you who wanted to see like space games, like Elite Dangerous or Star Wars Squadrons, because of the deep blacks of space. So actually, this should be made for this headset because Micro OLED has the perfect blacks. For all of you who don't know yet, what is the Pimax Crystal Super Micro OLED? Well, Micro OLED panels, 4K Micro OLED panels from Sony, the best that are out there, and truly the best pancake lenses I've seen so far, with very little glare. And that is a really good, fantastic combination. These are the best visuals that I've seen in VR until this point in time. And that means something because I've seen them all. So let's directly jump in and let's check it out together. Yeah, here already. Wow, the blacks, just perfect pitch black. This is OLED. And here the white on black, there's very little glare. This is so good. And the resolution, wow, it just looks so good. Let's skip this. Wow. Okay, wow. Wow.
On your wing.
Away we go.
Okay.
So,
what can I tell you? This is absolutely fantastic. Like I'm not even shooting, right? I'm not even in the action right now. But the black of space is truly black. Like all the other things that I see, they really pop because of the contrast. I can see all the little details here. Wow, I can see all the little details here in the ship. It is absolutely incredible. It's absolutely fantastic.
Hyperspace coordinates calculated.
Okay, let's do the
Let's do this.
wow.
Squadron.
Wow, just wow. Okay, let's do this. Wow! Wow. Guys, you want to explore this in this headset. So, I've been in other Micro OLED headsets and played this game, and it was also good. But not like this, because we had quite a lot of glare in these high contrast scenes. You know, like we have lots of high contrast here. Wow, this looks so good.
Find someone out here.
This looks so unbelievably good.
I've got a Republic signal.
Okay, if you want to play
Found them.
Elite Dangerous or this game or any other space game,
Heavy interference.
well, do yourself a favor
Take care of that shortly.
and play it in this. It looks perfect. Wow, I'm really absolutely convinced that this is the headset to go for if you like space games. It's photorealistic. Yeah. And I'm not even in the action. I'm just following this guy.
let's slow it down.
Okay.
Heck, our scouts didn't make it. Empire must have found them first.
Okay.
If that's the case, where is the Empire?
Where's the Empire? They will come very soon.
5. Scan the debris.
Okay, let me scan the debris now. Wow. So good.
But we need you to lock onto the wreck and get close.
Okay, I'm scanning the debris. Wow. This is so good.
Even that astromech got dusted.
Wow. I'm here.
Someone really didn't want these scouts getting home. Hey,
Impressive stuff.
picking up a second signal.
Impressive stuff. So, yeah, the action is gonna start very soon, I know. Wow. So, what I would be missing, the only thing that I'm missing right now would be to have like A motion seat?
Disgrace.
Then I would be absolutely
Not right.
in Star Wars.
Things survive the attack. Stay ready for anything.
Incredible. Like, the contrasts are so high.
Wait, that's not a new
And
recording signal.
yeah, if you're wondering about like the brightness of the things that are bright, it's popping. The green here is popping. Oh, now.
We're being ambushed.
Now we're going. Wow. Wow.
Attack positions. Take them down.
Incredible. Unbelievable. Oh no. Okay, should be destroyed soon, but I'm also quite close to destruction here.
You're safe now. You're too kind.
Recharging. That's it, that's it. Wow. It looks absolutely fantastic. Like also now how bright it is.
He's toast.
Like this contrast, like when it was exploding, it's so bright. Or anything that's exploding now. It's absolutely, it's shocking. It's shocking how good this is. So if you're getting this headset, please do yourself a favor and play Star Wars Squadrons. There's so little glare. So the glare was the only thing that was holding back like the Big Screen Beyond 2, for example.
Could lead us to the jammers.
Yeah? Or to a degree also the Mega Nex.
Vanguard 5.
But this is gone now.
Watch your back.
It's absolutely crazy. Wow. Yeah. If you love these kind of games, I can just tell you get it. So you will not... Wow. You will absolutely not regret this. Yeah.
That's it.
Very cool. Very cool.
Vanguard 5.
So anything negative
That path was leading them
that I could see here right now?
toward Gunny and Keo's coordinates.
It's really tough to find anything bad here. I'm in the sweet spot. The sweet spot is big. I have a great edge clarity. I have nice binocular overlap.
Hopefully they don't
I have an FOV now in the pre-production unit that I'm using here right now is 110 degrees horizontal, which is like Quest 3-ish, but yeah, with a better binocular overlap. So it's just wow. So there's no comparison
Whatever comes next.
right now
Face it together.
in terms of visuals. This is the best headset right now. Wow, incredible. Yeah, I really wanted to play this, to see this, to find out for you how good space games are. And yeah, my very clear result, conclusion is
Sure thing, Grace. Oh,
this is the best headset for you if you want to play space games. Okay, missile evasion. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, all right. That's it. That's it for this video. I'm glad that you're joining here my ongoing review of the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED. I've already tested Microsoft Flight Simulator, which was fantastic. I've done first-person shooter, which was okay because of the tracking, not perfect. We have to wait until the lighthouse the lighthouse thing. How's it called? The lighthouse thing. Yeah, write it into the comments. How it's called. And yeah, now I've tested here space games, and this is an absolute must-buy for space games lovers. Yeah, I can remember in Shanghai, I've also tried air car, and it was exactly the same feeling. Perfect, because of these dark blacks. So pitch black blacks. This is what you're getting here. Yeah, so again, thanks for joining my ongoing review of the Pimax Crystal Super. Do let me know in the comments section if there's still something that you want me to play, to check out for you. And that's how we roll here. If you want to pick up this, you can get it through the links in the description. It's going to save you the shipping fee. You're going to get $25 discount on top, and you're getting LMU for free. Yeah, and you're supporting this channel, so that would be really cool. That's everything that I have for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV, do that now. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.